Well, today I noticed in the pond when I looked at the fish, I pulled one of the covers up to have a quick look. One fish is quite covered in carp pox. It's not moving around at all, it's just staying on the bottom. So I'm going to put in some disinfectant. Well, I'm using aquafavin. This it's very good indeed. I always use this. I use it all through the summer as well as an antibiotic and a disinfectant. However, there's no restrictions on temperature, what you can have it at. The only restrictions is the standard one you get on all packets and all bottles, turn off UV. Well, UV's not on at this time of year, so I don't need to bother with that. Now, I won't put a normal dose in, I'll put a quarter dose in. So I'm only putting in 50. So that 50 mil putting in, and that's it. Just basically a quarter dose really. So I'll sort that out now, put it in the bottle, and we'll go down to the pond and put it in. See you in a minute. I don't know whether you can see the fish down there, but it is it's absolutely covered in and it's affecting its eyes as well. It's got it around its eyes. You might just manage to make out the bulging on the top of the eyes. The rest of the fish in the pond are fine. There's nothing the matter with the other fish. They're fine. So I'm just going to put this in for that fish basically. And we'll just pour it in straight out of the watering can slowly, because we don't want to disturb that fish, and we want to make sure that that fish gets a reasonable dose of it. So put it in down at the bottom here. And that'll go around with the filtration system. The pump is off at the moment, and all that's on is the air filter, so that this will not go through the filtration system and be wasted, but it will constantly be moved around the pond. I'll put some more in this side. And we'll put the rest down here. It's best not to put in a full dose at this time of year, because the conditions of the water and the cold, and obviously the fish as well. So I always put a quarter dose in, and I'll watch it for about a week, and then if it needs to, I put another quarter dose in. I never put a full dose in, and it seems to work fine for my needs. So we can see it's dispersing quite well through the pond. I'll keep my eyes on the fish for the rest of the day to see how they're going, to see if it's got any effect on them, but it should be fine. The water temperature is pretty low at the moment, it's just on 5. It did drop to 2 last night. Last night was bitterly cold. Other fish are used to this because they've seen it before in the pond, so it doesn't panic them or anything in any way. There's a bit of bread I put in before, just in case the fish were going to eat anything, but they're not eating any food whatsoever. I put some sinking food in for them, wheat germ, yesterday. It's still untouched at the bottom of the pond. So they're definitely not eating anything at all. Pond temperature today is 5.5, and that's quite warm because the outside temperature here is a lot more than that. It's freezing, so I would say the outside temperatures must be around about 2. It's bitterly cold, but the fish are doing quite well at the moment. Just that one fish that's succumbed to the cold this year. There it is again down that corner. Still swimming around. It's still not floating on the top or lying on the bottom, I think, so that's a good sign. But for now, that's all for today. See you in the next one. Take care. Please subscribe if you have not. Great, thanks.